Hey guys, what is up? My name is Hunter. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to do Facebook ads for auto detailing. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and here we go. So we got some Facebook ads that are popped up on this website. This is the Facebook website where you can search any Facebook ads that you want. So I'm going to be going through picking out which ones I like, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put it in your ads manager on the ones that I prefer. Okay, so let's get going. I like to be real straight to the point in these videos. So these types of ads I don't recommend doing because those look too stock. I don't like to do stock ads like that. I don't like to do video ads. Okay. I like to keep it simple and do picture ads. So this type of ad right here, I don't like to do. This type of ad, I don't like to do. Video ads, do not do unless you have expertise with that. Okay, so we're gonna skip all these ads here. I literally don't like any of those ads. I don't like any of these ads, so this is looking pretty bad on this video, but I just don't like any of these ads. Let's keep going here. Trying to find an ad that I do like. I like ads where people's faces are in the picture and then the customer is in the picture also. Not only that, but the you're actually detailing the car at the same time. So I'm trying to see here. And then also I also like before and after pictures. Those work really good as well. So an ad like this, it'd be okay, but it looks too stock, like it's edited. An ad like this, you see where it's just a picture of him auto detailing. That would be perfect. So just have someone take a picture of you detailing a car, and you're gonna have to get 5 different pictures. I recommend this guy's too far back so you can't see his face, but smile at the camera and look at the camera and make eye contact with the camera when they take the picture, and make sure you get the car in the picture as well. It can be you, it can just be you, it can be you and the customer. You're gonna have to try both of them out, but do this one and do exactly just what I said just now. And then all these other ads, don't do them unless you're doing a before and after picture where it's like this dirty versus clean. Those have worked as well. I've done those before and those actually work. Unless it's a before and after picture, don't do them. I'm trying to see here. So I don't like any of the other ads. So I'm just going to go straight to ads manager. You guys know what ads I do prefer. So just do the ad that I told you guys to do with the person in the picture. Um, okay, so we're going to go to ads, Facebook ads manager, click on campaigns. We're going to create a campaign, create, click engagement. If you have to rewind the video, just feel free to rewind it. I do go kind of fast through these so I can get through them all. So basically, I'm going through here. Don't click on anything here. Just click on the ad set. Okay, now we're on the ad set messaging apps. Click the page that you want to message to. So you should have already made your business Facebook page. Change this to $5 because we're only spending $5 a day. Facebook wants you to spend $20 a day to start out, but they just want your money. So we're going to put it down to 5. Okay. And then on your audience, click on locations, click edit, and put in your city. So mine's St. Louis, so I would put St. Louis and then click my city and do 25-mile radius. You can do 35-mile radius if you're not getting the results you want, but I recommend just 25-mile radius because you should get results with that. 35 miles, I've done it before, but it does stretch it a little bit. Advantage placements, leave it on that, click next. Alrighty, so we have our image. You would put your image here, click add image. I'm just gonna put a random image. You guys already know what image you should put, okay? Okay, so this is just a random image, but if you were putting an image, you would go for the one I told you to. So where he's just randomly out there washing the car right there, but get a little bit closer because you want the people in the picture as well. We want people smiling in the picture, so smile. Um, that's what kind of picture you want to put right there. And then you would say, hey, St. Louis, in your city. So you just put your city and nearby areas. So you're calling out everybody in your area, basically. And then we offer basic cleaning inside and outside, outside, car, cleaning, and then whatever you guys have, put that in there. I'm not going to put everything in there because that would take too long, but whatever services you offer the most frequently, put that right there in the middle, okay? And then lastly, you're going to say call/text your phone number, 55555, okay? Put your phone number right there. So, and then also on the headline here, we're going to put your phone number as well. And then what's really good is if you put a car emoji right next to the headline here, that really, just makes it a lot better for your ad. And make sure everything's the same here. It should be because I didn't touch anything. As long as you click the engagement campaign, everything should be the same. And then message template, you can edit that yourself. The pixel, you can play around with that yourself. But if you did everything I told you, you should have an ad set up. And then click duplicate on the ad. We're going to make 4 copies. Click duplicate. And then each one of these, you would have a different picture. And then once you change the picture for each one of these, what you would do is click the X button here, click review and publish, and you would publish everything. And then everything gets published. So it changes from draft to published. And then everything's published. And then at that point, you would just run it for 3 to 7 days, I would say, based on how the ad's doing. And the results column here is the results. So it's going to give you a cost per result. So anything between $5 to $20 per message is good. So if you run the ad and you get a certain image right here that does better than the other one, and you would just shut all the other ones off and leave the one that's working with the good cost result here, you would just leave it on, okay? So that's what you would do on the ad. And then I have a bunch of ads here for other companies, but that's basically how you would do your ad, okay? So that's everything I want to show you in the video. Hope it helps. And also, just to drop this in there, my $7 course is down below, my Accelerator course is down below also. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next video. So see you guys.